I'm Cindy Kelman with On Point Presentation. On Point will make your presentation soar. Today we're going to explore the Noun Project. The Noun Project is an app that allows you to use millions of icons, colorize, import graphics right inside of PowerPoint and other applications. Icons quickly convey ideas. They can be visually interesting, unifying, while creating variation within your presentation. Now, let's go to the Noun Project's website. The Noun Project works in other applications as well. Many of the icons are free. The paid version is around $40 per year. Installation is super easy. You can install it from the website or right inside PowerPoint. I'm working on the Mac today. When I'm inside of PowerPoint, I'm going to go to Insert, Store, Office Add-ins. I'm going to type the Noun Project. Then I'll click Add. I'm going to click it again, Add, and it shows up over here on the right side. I'm going to go ahead and close these panels so you can see the Noun Project panel pop back open. And click here, the Noun Project panel is going to open back up. And once it's loaded, I can use the search feature to find an icon that I want. Let's say I want to replace this apron with something nifty from the 1950s. So I'm going to type in 1950s apron right here. And okay, I think, oh, this one's cute. Let's choose this one. And we'll click, and it's ready to insert. But I want you first to notice that there are different color choices, and over here on the plus side allows you to dial up exactly the color you might want. I remember the hex color from the other icons that I've used before. So that's entered in. I click the arrow, and then I download the apron. PowerPoint gives me a few tools to help me size and place the graphics. If you want to do more manipulation than you can inside of PowerPoint, other than sizing and picking a color of the icon, you can use this tiny arrow over here, and that will take you back to the Noun Project website where you can download a vector graphic. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Noun Project. To see more of our work, go to onpointpresentation.com. Thank you.